Hi, I'm Dr. Anushree Muralidharan from Divine Veda. I hope you all enjoyed watching the previous videos of Divine Veda. Keep showering your love and support by watching our upcoming videos. We, Divine Veda, as a team, are on a mission to create awareness about Ayurveda, yoga, diet, and lifestyle through YouTube and other social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. We take this opportunity to thank you for the immense love and support you have given Divine Veda in our journey. As a token of gratitude from our side, we have started a giveaway of Rs 500 to one active subscriber every week. For being the active subscriber, you just have to watch all the videos and comment your opinion and suggestion in comment box below. And try to share the videos with your relatives and friends. So try to grab this opportunity by watching the videos. Last week's winner is Srikanth Kulkarni. Congratulations, Mr. Srikanth. This week also we have selected one person as the active subscriber of this week. The name of that lucky person will be announced at the end of the video. So please watch this video till the end to know who the winner is. In my previous video, I discussed about sinusitis for paranasal sinuses, functions of sinuses, causes of sinusitis, classification, symptoms, and diagnosis. Please do watch the video if you haven't watched it. I have done a separate video on home remedies to cure sinusitis naturally. Link of both videos will be given in subscription box below. In this video, I will be discussing about usually given treatment and medications for sinusitis and its adverse effects. Ayurvedic perspective of sinusitis. Ayurvedic treatment protocol. Different treatments and therapies done in Ayurveda. Precautions that should be taken to prevent sinusitis. So let's start the video. Ayurvedic perspective of sinusitis. Sinusitis is called Surya Varta according to Ayurveda. Ayurvedic classics gives clear-cut symptoms of sinusitis which include pain above the eyes and above eyebrows which start with sunrise and increase its severity by noon and subsides in evening as sun sets. According to Ayurveda, causes of sinus headache or Surya Varta is due to exposure to sunlight, snow, smoke and dust, spray paints, insecticides and pesticides, etc. Day sleep, bath in cold water, exposure to cold wind, too much oiling, especially oils with cold potency, also aggravates the condition. Intake of refrigerated food, cold food items and chilled drinks also aggravates the condition. Usually given treatment are decongestants, nasal sprays, nasal drops, etc. Nasal sprays mostly contain corticosteroids, and we already know the long-term use of corticosteroid is not advisable. Antibiotics are given in bacterial sinusitis, but patients should take care to prevent the recurrence of the condition as antibiotic intake very often is also not advisable. Antihistamines like cetirizine are also given for patients with allergic sinusitis, but antihistamines are also not a permanent remedy. Analgesics are also given in order to relieve the headache due to sinusitis. If you have watched my previous videos, you will be definitely knowing the adverse effects caused due to continuous intake of analgesics. If all these above treatments have not worked, doctor may suggest surgery for you. Surgery is done in cases of structural abnormalities like nasal septal deviation or to remove the polyp from nose, which may help in relieving the conditions due to sinusitis. Surgery is also done in order to remove the mucus deposits due to sinusitis. But this may not resolve the problem completely. There is again a chance of recurrence of sinusitis, and then again the patient have to resort to the medications. Ayurvedic treatment protocol for sinusitis. As you all know, Ayurveda treats the cause than the symptoms. So avoiding the causative factor of the disease is the first thing an Ayurveda physician will suggest you, like avoiding cold wind or breeze, cold food and drinks, day sleep, and the allergens, which I told you in the precautions. Due to sinusitis caused due to allergy, treatment for allergy is done first. Kashayas and churnas are given in order to treat allergy. As allergy is a condition which requires a long time duration to treat, the symptomatic treatment for sinusitis is done parallelly. The measures to eliminate the mucus from the sinuses are also done. Now let us see the major Ayurvedic treatments for sinusitis. Nasya and Neti, which we discussed earlier, are the two very important treatments for sinusitis. Other than Nasya and Neti, Svetana, that is fermentation or sweating therapy, is usually done in order to loosen the hard mucus and drains it out. There are 18 types of Svetana according to Charaka Samhita. Lepana or external application of warm medicated paste of herbs which reduces swelling and gives warmth from outside is applied above eyebrows and over the areas of sinuses. Varti Prayoga or inhalation of medicated fumes are also usually done. This works just like steaming, but the medicated fumes adds the efficacy of elimination of mucus. Now let's move on to the precautions that should be taken in order to prevent recurrent sinusitis and sinus infections. Avoid exposure to cold wind, cold weather and staying for long duration in air-conditioned room. Avoid smoking, dust and pollen, chemicals and paints, overuse of perfumes, deodorants and room fresheners, insecticides and pesticides, etc. Exposure to these allergens may trigger allergic reactions. Avoid drinking ice cold water, cool drinks and intake of refrigerated foods directly. Instead, try to take lukewarm water and warm food items. Keep your face and hands neat by washing it regularly. While sleeping, keep your head elevated with 1 or 2 pillows as it may help you to breathe comfortably. Spices like turmeric, ginger, etc. have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial property. So include these in your diet. Ginger and turmeric, when brewed in your tea, will give you an instant relief and loosen the mucus. Try to avoid day sleep and intake of kapha aggravating foods like dairy products, too many eggs, sweets and pastries, too much of banana, refrigerated foods and cold drinks, and cold food items. Traveling in aeroplane may aggravate the symptoms of sinusitis and increases the congestion because of the reduced air pressure in the flight, which cause pressure built up in the cavities and clogs the sinus. Onion, garlic and spicy foods like long pepper, black pepper, etc. helps in drainage of mucus. So those spices should be included in your everyday diet. As I told you, too much oiling, especially oils with a cold potency, aggravates the condition. So people who are attacked by sinusitis regularly should choose an oil with hot potency in order to prevent recurrence of sinusitis. An Ayurveda doctor can help you in suggesting the most suitable oil for you after assessing your prakriti and severity of the condition. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and understood how to tackle this problem of sinusitis. Please do like and comment your suggestions and opinion about this video in the comment box below. Now it's time to announce the active subscriber of this week. The active subscriber of this week is Chidambar K. Congratulations, Mr. Chidambar. The winner should immediately contact us in our email ID contact@divineveda.com. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it and continue watching the videos from Divine Veda and keep supporting us. Thank you for listening. This is Dr. Anushree signing out.